How much can a truck carry? 40 tons of raw potential.
Is a laser stronger than steel? 10,000 watts of light says yes.
Hold it, hold it. Lower slowly now. Clear on the left. Keep coming down.
Why sandblast a new rail? To ensure the paint lasts 20 years.
Can a robot build a truck? With 0.5mm precision, yes. Sparking.
Check the tolerance on the rear rail.
Looks good. Within the 1mm variance. Verified.
Down slow, easy now. Clear on the left. Set it. How precise is this? Perfect? 5,000 millimeter.
How small is the gap between power and failure?
Just 0.45 millimeters.
Torque sequence initiated.
Bank 1, 400mm confirmed.
Applying 90 degrees, check.
Is this the heart of the beast? 16 liters of Swedish engineering. The gearbox? How do you shift 750 horsepower with the world's smartest 12-speed brain?
Alignment confirmed. The torque sequence is complete.
Can steel be fused without heat? 15,000 amps of pure electricity.
How's the finish on the roof? Perfect. Send it to chemical cleaning.
Why wash a truck before it's even built? To ensure the paint never peels.
Readings are optimal across the surface.
Agreed. Moving to the next stage.
How do you squeeze power from a drop of fuel? With 2,400 bar of pressure.
What spins at 100,000 RPM? This Swedish engineered turbo.
Clear!
How do you make a 40-ton truck ride like a car? With computer-controlled airbags.
How do you turn a 7-meter frame?
with 45 degrees of precision steering.
Clear on the left. Okay, keep it steady. Secured here. Okay.
How far can 900 litres go? Across half of Europe without a stop. Next, the fifth wheel.
Okay, firmly on the left side. Got it. Hand me the next piece.
Okay, easy on the lift, watch the clearance.
Clear on this side, start the sequence.
Ready for the electrical connection.
What keeps the glass from falling out? High modulus urethane with 500 psi of bonding strength. Next, the robot install.
Is this a truck or a hotel? Memory foam and 800 millimeters of Swedish comfort.
Can a seat have its own suspension? Full pneumatic isolation for a 1,000 kilometer shift.
Ready on 3, lift. Okay, I have it, aligning now. Secured.
Confirmed. 90 degrees applied.
How do 2,000 wires find their home? Through one high-density master bulkhead.
The world's smartest truck wakes up.
Can you hear 750 horsepower? Pass. Why hide the fuel tanks? To slice through the wind and save 2% on fuel. Next, the air deflectors.
Can a truck be aerodynamic? With a perfectly pitched roof spoiler, it can.
How do you stop a rain cloud on the highway? With 70% efficient anti-spray matting.
How do you find a hole you can't see? With sound waves that can hear air moving.
Alignment confirmed on the right side camera.
Reading 92% direct vision score.
Calibration successful.
Initiating braking sequence. Distance check, 0.5 meters. Test successful.
How fast can 10 tons stop? Faster than a human could react. Next, lane keeping support.
The corrective torque is holding steady at 2.5 Newton meters.
Frequency response looks good. The lane keeping verification is confirmed.
How does a truck read? With smart cameras that never miss a sign.
Check the exhaust mounts. Clear. Catalytic converter looks solid. Brake line secured, no leaks here. Can you see a 1 micron scratch? Under these lights, yes. Fluid level, final check.
Make sure the logo is centered.
Yes, almost done with the steering wheel. Is it easy to service? One finger is all you need to open the front.
Tire pressure verified at 9 bar. The order match is 100%. Approved for loading.
Everything seems in order here. Confirmed kilometers match?
Yes, 850 kilometers exactly. The truck is ready for handover.
Is it a truck or a trophy? It's both.
The 12-inch cluster is fully customizable, and the iShift handles the 750 horsepower effortlessly.
It's stunning.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's have a look inside and I'll show you the systems.